Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best double-sided hanging tape on the market, the Gorilla Heavy Duty Double-Sided Mounting Tape. If you're looking for a tape that can handle your toughest mounting projects, this is the one to beat. This Gorilla mounting tape is designed to hold up to 30 pounds, making it perfect for mounting everything from picture frames to mirrors and even clocks. Whether you're putting something on the wall or outdoors, this tape has you covered. Its industrial-strength adhesive ensures a permanent bond that holds fast to almost any surface, including wood, metal, plastic, glass, ceramic, and even brick. The tape works on both smooth and rough surfaces, so you don't need to worry about finding the right surface for adhesion. Plus, it's weatherproof, which means you can use it for both indoor and outdoor applications without fear of the elements ruining its grip. In just 60 seconds, it bonds securely, making it ideal for all kinds of DIY projects. No need for nails or screws. Just cut the tape to size, press it onto your desired surface, and you're done. It's that simple. Plus, it's clear, so it blends seamlessly into any decor. Whether you're mounting something inside your home or braving the outdoors, the Gorilla Heavy Duty Double-Sided Mounting Tape is a game-changer. For those looking to skip the hassle of drilling holes or using screws, this is the perfect solution. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. See you next time.